On today's video, it's a cook up. We're making an Amapiano with an old school jazz type of sound. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button and tell me what you think about this. Now I downloaded this song, they get a nice shaker loop, so I decided to take this nice song and make it mine. Listen to how it sounds. So I put it on the right BPM, 113. Then I cut this and delete the other one, it's useless. Then I go to DW sample and choose for electric, look for electric. Then I go in and put a MIDI on the same electric track. Then I open up a new track on DW sample and choose a flute. When I add this flute, I'm trying to fill up some spaces. I'm not trying to make it sound too present. So it's not gonna sound too present. You're gonna hear about the ideas for me to fill up the emptiness. Now I'm about to make a melody. I can't explain too much about this. All you gotta do is just watch and learn. Everybody's favorite sample, a log drum. Now on the log drum I added distortion so that it can sound a little bit more present, and then I made it more softer so that it can be not too loud and break your speakers. Now I deleted that one because I didn't like the pattern, so now let's do another one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Danko.